Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jela urakam esangma hakalai puai terek urisa warja usau. Oleh itu, baka Webcos bat ka Mtdc Manipur kila Aiti syak Sorkar Meghalaya ya ke Skul Emrs beladap shna hakal leng ke Jela Meghalaya. Hakaji keren megila pathai kubor urakam esangma oleh itu ba lakmi lenti lakumnu hadin sisnem on sepentrikam no ini ke skul.
This has been handed over to the government of Meghalaya. From the earlier, it was being monitored and implemented by the agency from Webcos and from Mtdc from Manipur, but now this has been given to the state government, and we are taking up the matter now. I think the speed will be better now. I'm expecting in next 1 year time we will see the things happen.
So
Total 38, if I'm not wrong, and 2 has been completed already. So some are on the advanced stage. I don't have the figure right now with me. About 22 to 25, some number are yet to be kick off. So started, and I'm sure in the days to come we will move faster. There are some some location where Emrs school is supposed to be. So we have instructed the Deputy Commissioner and our concerned official of the district and the BDOs to sort it out the issue, because Ministry asks for a pre of course, but locally here in our state land belongs to the people. So it's not possible to get pre of course with certain condition, and as a state government is taking responsible in coordinating in sorting out this issue.